Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You've opened WhatsApp and the emoji keyboard. Now focus on the recently or clock area where used emojis appear. Once visible, scan for the specific emoji you want removed. Make sure to try a long press on that emoji. Some keyboards show a remove or delete option immediately. If you see that option, tap it to remove the emoji from recents. If nothing happens, don't panic. Move to the next slide to clear learned data safely. You'll now perform the deeper action depending on your keyboard. If long press didn't work, on Android go to Settings, Apps, choose your keyboard, Gboard, Swift key, then Storage and clear data to reset recents. On iPhone go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, then Reset and Reset Keyboard Dictionary to wipe learned emoji history. Once done, reopen WhatsApp and check the emoji panel. The recently row should be empty or significantly reduced. Make sure you're in the final step. Verify the cleanup. Reopen a chat and view the emoji keyboard. Confirm the recently section is cleared. If you still see old items, update the keyboard app from the Play Store or App Store and reboot your phone, then repeat the clear action. If problems continue, uninstall and reinstall the keyboard app or choose an alternate keyboard temporarily. Quick troubleshooting. Backup important keyboard settings or personalized dictionary before clearing to avoid losing desired predictions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.